Hey y'all, so today I'm following up with my nail design video. You guys are going to see me remove my gel polish. This is my Melody Susie S Series Jade nail drill. I will link it below. I'm going to have this, I started it with 8,000 RPMs, but then I moved it up to about 13 or 14 RPMs, I do believe, just to make the process go by faster. I just wanted to remove the polish. I did not want to debulk the nail, which, I mean, it doesn't really make sense because these are gel X nails, but I do, as you will see before I start putting gel polish back on, I do go over with 2 coats of additional regular top coat just to kind of put some more sturdiness back into the nail. So as you can see right now, I am getting all of the polish off of the nails so that I can start with a new base. Yes, y'all, I did not soak these off and do a new set because I've only had them on for about a week. So don't judge me, judge your mama, because listen, I will come with a whole new set probably next week. So that'll be very exciting. So it will look like on some of the nails I might need a fill because some of my nails do grow faster than the other ones. But all in all, it's not going to be that bad. So after this, I'm going to go in with my Macart extra fine drill bit. And I'm going to go through and kind of just fix up my cuticles a little bit. Make sure that I don't get any lifting. I did not have any lifting right now, but, you know, definitely just needed to do this part just for my sanity. So this part is optional. I really did not need to go in and do any prep because I was just doing a redesign, but I absolutely hate when my cuticles are a mess, so I had to do this. It is optional. You absolutely do not have to, but I did, and I definitely need some new cuticle dippers because I was definitely struggling a little bit. And sorry if you hear all that jingling in the background. Those are my dogs thinking that they are in WWE SmackDown. So, yeah. So now I'm going to go in and buff my nails just to make the surface smooth because of course you know I use the drill, and I just want to make sure that my surfaces are smooth for my polishes to go on. And then I'm going to fix up some of the shaping of the nails because it did get messed up a little bit when I was taking off that gel polish. After that, I'm going to go in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and just wipe the nails off so that we can get ready to start doing our nail design. I am once again using my Macart rechargeable nail drill, and I will show you guys that drill. I have a review coming, so be aware and on the lookout for that. There is going to be a review coming in the next few days. Right now, once again, I'm just adding the extra layer of gel polish onto my nails just to give them a little bit of strength back, because it is definitely necessary. Now I did choose 3 colors from the Beetles Earth Song collection, and I actually went more with blues for this set because, I don't know, these colors just really stood out to me, and I absolutely love them. So I was like, let me do a set with these colors. So I chose 2 blues, and then I chose one of the sparkly colors. I did not have a design in mind going in with this, so I was just kind of doing some random things. So enjoy as I design these nails.
No, no.
And this middle nail here somehow kind of turned out to being a little like a marble nail, but not really. I kind of made it more so like a, I don't know, it kind of looks kind of like a geode nail, kind of, not really a geode, but like it's really cool. It's something different that I don't normally do, and I'm just sitting here and outlining this with the really sparkly gel polish, as you can see. Now I always see people go in with lines as nail art and just these random squiggly lines, and so I really just wanted to try it. I didn't really have an inspiration photo or, you know, creator that I took this from. I literally just had different color, or not different colors, I literally just had a vision of this is probably what I want to do while I'm going through, and I just did it. So on my thumbnail, instead of doing 3 squiggly lines like the other 2 nails, I'm going to do 2 blue squiggly lines, and then I'm going to put the really glittery color in the middle, kind of looking like a river flowing of glitter. I decided to do that instead of doing it the other way. I don't really know why, it just kind of worked. So I am going to end up doing this on my thumb as well as my ring finger. I am now going through and top coating all of my nails. I am going to put this under the lamp for 60 seconds. That's what I put my top coat on for, and I always do 30 seconds in between each actual polish color. So yeah guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. And guys, here is the final look.